Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Recipes for breastfeeding mothers. When you are breastfeeding, it becomes imperative to pay heed to your diet and nutrition. We shall now get acquainted with some easy-to-make nutritious recipes that may help boost your energy levels and milk supply. Recipe number 1. Spinach and potatoes with a dash of poppy seeds. Ingredients: 1 bunch of spinach, cleaned and chopped. 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes, chopped. Half cup poppy seeds. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. 2 green chilies, finely chopped. Half a tablespoon fresh ginger, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons oil, any vegetable oil. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Method: heat oil in a pan. Add the mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, chilies, and ginger in the hot oil. Cook for a minute. Add the turmeric powder, salt, and potatoes. Make a paste of the poppy seeds by adding some water. Add this paste to the potatoes. Fold the spinach leaves into the potato mixture and cook until done. Recipe number 2. Yummy Methi, fenugreek soup. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped methi leaves. 1 medium-sized tomato, chopped. 1 medium-sized onion, chopped. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 cups of water. 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Pepper powder and salt to taste. Method: heat oil in a heavy-bottomed pan. Put the garlic and onions in the pan and saute till golden brown. Add the tomatoes and cook for a few minutes. Add the methi leaves and cook until done. Add water and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Take half of the mixture and churn it in the blender. Mix with the rest of the soup and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Add pepper and salt to taste. Mix well and serve hot. Recipe number 3. Mukhwas. Ingredients: half cup pumpkin seeds. Half cup white sesame seeds. Half cup black sesame seeds. Half cup flax seeds. Half cup fennel seeds. Salt to taste. Method: dry roast all the ingredients in a heavy-bottomed pan. Let the seeds cool down. Mix in the salt and store in an airtight container. Recipe number 4. Ajwain, carom seeds, Halwa. Ingredients: 1 cup whole wheat flour. Half cup ghee. 1 cup of water. 1/4 cup brown sugar. Half a tablespoon Ajwain powder. Half cup mixed nuts. Method: heat the ghee in a pan, add the flour, and roast it until it turns brown. Add the nuts and roast for a few minutes. Add water and Ajwain powder and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add sugar and cook until it dissolves. Serve hot. Recipe number 5. Beetroot, pulao. Ingredients: 1 cup of rice. 1½ cup of water. 1 beetroot, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 green chili, chopped. 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, chopped. 1 tablespoon oil. Salt. Method: heat oil in a pan and add the cumin seeds, chili, beetroot, salt, and coriander powder. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the rice and cook for 2 minutes. Add water and cook till the rice is done. Garnish with coriander leaves. These were some easy to make and delicious recipes that may help you with your milk supply and dealing with low energy levels. However, if you are experiencing problems with your milk supply, you should see your doctor.